Hello and welcome to a fresh new episode of Science Monitor, our weekly update on all that is happening in the field of science and technology in and around the country. I'm Aishwarya Kapoor with you. From home printable diagnostic kits to novel cholera vaccine and Asia's biggest telescope, there are many exciting stories in store. Let's first look at the headlines. Inkjet printers to develop paper-based diagnosis, out-of-the-box idea from IISc. And now the news in detail. We all have used HP's inkjet printers, but how about using the common desktop printers to print medical test kits? Yes, the innovative idea from IISc researchers will now allow transformation of desktop inkjet printers into little factories that can create special paper diagnostics. Now, these paper strips can be used for various purposes, from testing blood sugar to detecting antibiotics and pesticides in food. Take a look.
Forget your glucometer. What if home-printed paper strips can be used to test your blood sugar? What if we could use a piece of paper as a swab on the skin of the vegetable to check for pesticides? True that most of the diagnostic tools we know are complicated, but the world is shifting fast towards paper electronics. And what more could you ask for if these paper-based diagnostic tools can be printed even at home? Yes, using your normal HP inkjet printers. The technology has been developed by Dr. Venugopal Santhanam, Assistant Professor of Nanoparticle Engineering, and his team at the Indian Institute of Science. The innovation combines green chemistry with black and white photography and simple inkjet printing to print nanoparticles and microfluid structures on paper. The process is simple and involves filling up empty HP cartridges with desired concentration of salt solutions, which mainly consists potassium bromide and silver nitrate. The reaction that occurs inside the cartridges helps deposit desired patterns accurately on paper using a standard computer interface within seconds.
We have used a office desktop inkjet printer, replacing the ink provided by the manufacturer with our own solutions of silver salt and bromide salt. We have managed to deposit silver bromide patterns on paper, and using the photographic principles, we have exposed it to light from a halogen lamp and developed it and generated conducting structures on paper, demonstrations of which we have already seen.
The paper, when dipped in a developing solution and exposed to light, are ready with circuits of silver bromide on it. The research that has been published in the journal Current Science offers immense scope for developing novel biodiagnostic devices. The silver nanowire networks printed on paper can be used to detect gas leaks in factories, make use and throw diagnostic kits for measuring blood sugar levels, and even make Raman sensors to detect toxic chemicals. With this low-cost and environment-friendly technology, the day is not far when we could print our own diagnostic kits on our desktops and send the results electronically instead of waiting in long queues in clinics.